I went back to learning Inkscape in the year day 8. Let us create an example design just so that we can get some practice. Use the rectangle tool and then left click drag. We've got it set to pixels and I'll make that width of 200 and height of 450. As we know that, we can simply create another rectangle like this. So left click drag, and then I set width and height right here, 200, 450. But there's a different way to do that. You can simply select an object and then right click, use copy, right click again somewhere and paste. And this is the typical Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. So you can even do that without right clicking, and you can directly use these short keys. If you want to change the fill color, just select your object and then left click on these little swatches down below. We want to make it a typical flag design, and this should be one version of the French flag. And you can see all of these segments have the same size. So if I select it, I don't have the rectangle to active, I have the selection to active, but you can still find the size. It's now at the top in the middle and not on the top left anymore, but you can still see it. And if I select it all, we still have the same height obviously, but we have 3 times the width, 600, as there are 3 rectangles. Try to recreate these designs, gives you a little bit of practice. Just watching these videos won't do much. You have to actually use Inkscape, you have to use all of these software programs that I'm covering here on my channel. And creating flags is a good entry point because these are usually easy designs using basic shapes. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.